This is all paved. This was dirt last time we were up here.
It was, wasn't it?
All right, welcome back. We're here on another trail. Today we're in Moab, actually. Beautiful Moab. And we are doing Poison Spider today. So we've got my truck, 95 F-150 on a 5-inch lift with 35 Milestar Patagonias. And then with my brother-in-law and sister, who do have a few minutes of fame on Matt's off-road recovery, which I will snip into this.
So, looks like we found a ride out of here. I knew we would. Okay, scooch in there.
Matt, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just sitting,
Come on.
back
So the next question, where are we taking you?
Yeah, anywhere you want.
Just up to the overpass. What are you guys' names?
I'm Catherine and this is Brandon.
Hi.
We're
Thank you
super
for the
fans
ride.
from Salt Lake. So at Trail Hero, and when we came down, we were like, we just hope we see Matt's off-road guys. That's all we wanted.
So we were out here thumbing a ride and they stopped to give us one. So it was fortunate. But they're gonna make me sign this.
They've got their 2020 Jeep Rubicon, which is the Recon version. So what's cool about this is it actually comes with the 2.5-inch lift. They are running 35-inch, the Baja Boss, the Mickey Thompson, which are a great tire. And we're gonna go hit the trail. So they're fairly new to this. They've got some trails, at Sand Hollow?
Yeah.
So you guys
This is
did-
the first time to Moab, but we've done quite a few at Sand Hollow.
So I gotta get a two-way mic. So she's saying that they had run some trails at Sand Hollow for Trail Hero. They really loved it. And then Kathy was down here for business. So she said, hey, why doesn't everybody come down and we do some trails? So yesterday we did Hell's Revenge. Today we're doing Poison Spider. So super excited.
No. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Did it! Woo! Go, Dave! Go! 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 Ooh, that's nice.
Trying to make a
He's gonna-
CD of this stuff.
I might. That's a good idea. That'd be fun.
That's fun.
Oh my gosh. That looks
truck is an animal.
that looks kind of scary.
Now you are going to come for driver. Just clear. But come driver. Yeah, follow through. Perfect.
Woo!
That's how you do it. It's a big hole.
Poison Spider has got to be one of our favorite trails. We do this pretty consistently when we come down. It's just obstacle after obstacle after obstacle without a lot of long, boring sections in between. It's not overly difficult, but it is hard enough to be a challenge and a lot of fun. Definitely probably one of the must-do trails when you do go down to Moab.
Passenger, hard passenger. Oh, Matt's in there with them?
He's in the Jeep.
That was a good wave. Come on.
with Maddox in the front seat. We're ready to take the waterfall. We have a lot of watchers. We got this, right, Maddox?
Yeah.
We got it. We got it.
Yeah, definitely. We definitely got it.
We definitely got it. Now there's no screaming, crying, no sneeze or burp or fart. How we lined up? How we lined up?
Driver, you're doing fine. Go driver. Okay, we'll hold that line, little passenger. Okay, you're just gonna come straight towards me. A little bit passenger. Remember, don't lose momentum.
And in just a moment, you'll see what happens when your spotter has a moment of incompetency.
Come straight. Hard passenger, go. No, driver. Yes.
Son of a... I cussed on my video! Video again. We're gonna watch our mouths and use good vocabulary, not bad vocabulary.
Okay. That was 4 months ago, so I would say 7 months ago.
No. Come here.
Now, this particular obstacle I'm coming up on is called the S-turn waterfall. I don't know if that's the official name. It's a little past the halfway point to the end, and I think probably one of the more difficult parts of the trail. And what makes it really difficult is there's no bypass and it does bottleneck. So you can actually see behind me there's cars parked. You have to wait for each vehicle one by one, whether they're going up or coming down. Now, I wouldn't say it's overly difficult, but where I see the challenge here is if you don't have a good line or you don't have lockers, if you get off on the line, you are going to get hung up here and it's going to take a long time for you to get by. So with a good line and a well-equipped vehicle, it's no problem. But if you're running open diffs and you don't have a good spotter, this part's going to really prove to be difficult for you.
You have a motorcycle coming down too.
That's really good. Okay, can we come over this way? Okay, now passenger. Okay, just hold for a second. Okay, now start coming passenger. Okay, hard passenger. Hard as we can. Okay, good. Keep coming passenger. Hard as you can.
It didn't that time. Not that I noticed.
Now here we're coming up to the famous wedgie obstacle on Poison Spider. This is one of our favorites. The kids love it. I think it's because they like to say the word wedgie over and over. It's not an overly difficult obstacle. Really, even if you get off on your line, it's not steep enough to do any damage or make you flop. But you do want to be careful, see if you can stay upright on either end. But take it easy. This is a great one. It's a lot of fun. And it does look more intimidating in real life than it does in the video, but it definitely looks a lot worse than it actually is.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, this one's called the wedgie. You like wedgies?
I don't like wedgies.
Wait, that's so good.
Conquered the wedgie. Oh, Grace, don't lean on me. Don't lean on me.
Go, Daddy.
White old thing of mine would probably go right up to there. I think it's wider than a normal truck.
Now shortly after the wedgie, you're going to come to another couple obstacles that are some of my favorite. There's a much harder line to the left, and there's a bypass to the right. I am trying the harder line here, and what makes it really difficult is that far wall is just about perfectly vertical, and you need to get that driver tire climbing, because if you stay down in that crack, you're going to wind up flopped over. And you can see how that truck's trying to climb, but it's trying to push it over, but eventually I do get it. But this is one that it's a ton of fun, but the wrong line can put you in a really bad situation. So I'd say only try this if you're really experienced. Otherwise, you can take that bypass to the right.
Just a teeny bit, not much. Yeah, that's perfect. That's a good line. A little bit more passenger. A little driver now. One more driver. A little bit more driver. One driver. One driver. One driver. Go ahead and put your front locker in and give it, just like you've been doing, give it some easy gas. Go back a teeny bit, teeny, like an inch.
little more. Stop, stop. Okay, you're gonna bump now. Put it in drive, and you're gonna give it a good little hoorah. Medium rare. Okay, go back down and reposition you. Take your front locker out. Go passenger as you're back. One more. Okay, stop there. You're gonna go forward and come driver as you come up. No. Go driver as you come up. A little hard driver. There you go.
We got a little wave!
You did good. Don't worry about us. Okay, flip out of date. Momentum. Perfect. Now you're gonna see me hesitate here, and it's not because anything's wrong, but it's because I'm already on a steep incline. My tires are wet and sandy. The rocks are pretty sandy. And climbing up this, if you get sideways, you're gonna tumble over and over and over till you hit the bottom. And I've got my kids in the truck. Apparently I decided it was okay, but this was a gnarly one, I thought.
Should she turn passenger a little? That was perfect. Yep.
You missed the brake. It's okay, you don't need a brake. You're doing just fine. Doing just fine.
Well, I hit the edge of the cliff.
It's okay. You're total, this wall is okay because it's gradual. It's the really sharp 90-degree ones you want to watch out for.
Well, there's a cliff right there.
Oh, well, you're way far away. Now, Poison Spider is an in and out trail, meaning once you go in, you got to come back out the same way. So here's us climbing out, and after watching this, it makes me acutely aware that it is time to repaint this truck and maybe give the body a little bit of love. Now you're going to hear me say this over and over and over again, but the camera never does the angles justice. It looks like this is flat ground, but the reason we're going so slow is this actually tips you toward the passenger side of your vehicle quite a bit, and you get a very tippy and slidey feeling as you're coming down. So you take it easy, take it slow. I have seen people get into pretty bad situations here, but usually it's because they were being careless. If you just slow down and pay attention, it's totally fine, but it does feel kind of crazy. Now this is one of the last obstacles as you're climbing out of Poison Spider. I don't know why, but I love it. It's not really technical. The further passenger you go, the harder it is. The further driver, it's a cakewalk. I like to get as far passenger as I can, and you'll even see here that I'm about to scrape that body, which means it's time for some rock rails, but really fun obstacle.
After you. Yeah, you better. Tell him to move. Woo! Ooh. Good choice, Dave. You were tippy and you bottomed out.
As this trail comes to an end and I watch this video, it actually reminds me of how much we love doing this as a family and friends. It's a great activity to do together. You're in stressful situations together that you need to work through. You're in a lot of fun situations. Everybody's rooting for each other, willing to help. And not only is it just fun, but it creates a great bonding situation with everybody that's involved. you've made it to this point in the video, I want to thank you for taking time out of your lives to watch. I really appreciate the support. It's a fun activity that I love to share with everybody. If there's something specific that you want to see, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next video. Much more to come.